The rain hitting your roof tonight might not be entirely natural. There's a real technology called cloud seeding and might also be called weather hijacking. Some governments use chemicals like silver iodide to force clouds to release rain earlier. By seeding the sky, they drain the clouds before they reach their neighbors. Supporters say it helps fight droughts. Critics fear it could affect weather patterns across borders. One nation gets a harvest, while the other gets a deadly drought. The sky isn't just weather anymore, it's strategy. Type sky if this sounds terrifying.